Hello friends, Istanbul, my ideal trip, is a beautiful city. Istanbul, it is the capital of Turkey and the only city in the world that lies between two continents, the European and the Asian. Therefore, it has a mix of these two continents. How to go from Bogota to Istanbul? I can be reached from El Dorado International Airport, stopping at Heathrow Airport in London, and the landing at the Atatürk Airport. The drive lasts 18 hours and 30 minutes. The Basilica of Saint Sophia and the Strait of Bosphorus. The first thing I want to know is this Basilica of Saint Sophia and the Strait of Bosphorus. This tour is in a cruise. You can also find the market of spices. It is very famous and interesting. The Great Bazaar, it is great place as old as the city and you can buy almost any item you can also have with the sellers. This bazaar is like a small city. The Topkapi Palace, it is palace of Sultans built by Mohammed II in 1462 and was the residence of Ottoman monarchs. Its gardens, rooms and views are spectacular. Palace in Eastern Basilica. I was wowed by Justinian I quads of 224 gigantic columns and the contain one 100 tons, tons of water. The Galata Tower. It is unique on a hill in the European part of the city and has one of the best views of the city. Contains a restaurant and the sunset is simply spectacular. The Galata Bridge. It is the most famous bridge in the city and links the European continent with the Asiatic. You can now stop crossing. It is also has many shops and restaurants. I think visiting this city will be a great experience and also unforgettable. Bye friends.